Volcano keeps being still. Those two girls were coming to me asking if there is lava in the crater. They saw I was flying drone, and they were kind of disappointed to learn that it's empty. Well, that's life. This volcano had been erupting for 6 months, and it's pretty long period anyway, and it's about half of population of Iceland managed to come here and see it, and not just the people of Iceland, lots of people around the world managed to see this eruption. So it was a spectacular show and something we don't see very often. It's once in a lifetime experience, at least for me. And because I haven't seen a Eyjafjallajökull eruption, just Fagradalsfjall. And God knows when it will erupt again. If it will erupt today or maybe in another 500,000 years. We don't know. Nobody knows. So that's how it is with nature. It's unpredictable. It's getting cold now in Iceland. Cold wind is blowing. Some rain also. Very few people here. Before there had been crowds here, but now the site is empty. Obviously all people want to see magma, lava, but it's not something that can be seen every day. It's a unique phenomenon in nature and doesn't happen often, unfortunately. We just have to accept the situation how it is. So there was a big spike in the tremors, but it was not accompanied by the lava. There was no magma or lava coming up to the surface. I still have one battery left. Maybe if I do one more flight somewhere. Lots of smokes around the lava fields. Also, the volcano walls are smoking, but they are not erupting. There is no magma. It's just smokes on the tops of the wall. I'll keep hiking a bit more. It's very smelly here from those smokes. It's an old familiar smell. Very blue, as you see the lava fields on the volcano. Theater Hill gone hot, survived, as you see. Almost, it was almost devoured by lava, but it managed to survive the eruption. But God knows, we will see if volcano erupts again. Maybe it will still be devoured by lava. I don't know. Nobody knows. So keep walking a bit further. I'm here in Geldingadalur. I wanted just to fly over to make sure it's empty, and it is empty. So mission completed. Anyway, greetings from Iceland.